In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Binance. We'll walk through a simple flow. Starting from a Google search, opening Binance, heading to your wallet, and using the convert tool to switch from USDT to USDC. I'll keep it clear and paste, and I'll add helpful context so you always know why you're clicking what you're clicking. Begin on Google and search for Binance. From the results, open the official Binance website. As a quick safety tip, double-check the URL shows Binance.com and that your browser displays the secure padlock. This helps you avoid spoofed pages and keeps your account safer. Once the home page loads, you'll be on solid ground to access your funds and tools. Next, look toward the top of the screen for the wallet icon. This is your doorway to balances, transaction history, and tools related to your assets. Clicking the wallet icon opens your wallet hub, where you can navigate between different sections like Spot and other sub-wallets. If your layout looks slightly different, that's normal. Exchanges update interfaces frequently. But the wallet icon and wording should be similar. Now choose Spot. The Spot wallet is the area that lists your deposit-ready, trade-ready balances, and it's the place you'll typically manage assets you hold on the exchange. When Spot opens, you'll see a list of coins and stablecoins along with your available amounts. Give the page a second to load if your connection is slow. Find USDT in the list and click it. USDT is a stablecoin designed to track the value of the US dollar. If you hold USDT, it will appear with a balance here. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top of the asset list to filter for USDT. Clicking the asset brings up details and available actions for that specific coin. Choose Convert from the available options. The Convert tool is a streamlined way to swap one asset for another without using the full trading interface. It's especially helpful for quick stablecoin to stablecoin moves. This page typically shows a simple from and to selector, an amount field, and a place where you can preview an indicative rate. In the To field, select USDC. USDC is another widely used dollar-pegged stablecoin. Selecting it tells Binance you want to switch from USDT to USDC. At this point, you can check the displayed rate, take note of any minimum amounts, and ensure the pair looks correct. When everything appears as expected, you're set to proceed within the convert flow on this page. And that's the full path from a Google search to choosing USDC in the Binance Convert tool, all set up for a clean, straightforward conversion.